This is a My First Insta2 camera, a cute camera targeted at young children. What makes this camera interesting is that it's a thermal paper instant camera. Thermal paper is the same kind of paper that your shopping receipts are made of. All instant cameras have one thing in common. You need expensive native photo paper that only the brand of your camera is selling. Thermal paper rolls are all the same and can cost less than €1. And with one roll you can print around 60 photos. Instax photos, for example, can cost almost €2 an image, when one pic printed on thermal paper costs less than 1 cent. The native lens on the camera is around 50mm, but I found a way to get wide-angle shots and macro shots by using blue tack and cheap smartphone lenses. The camera takes 12 megapixel colored photos that are, let's say, okay for a kid, but totally unusable for anyone else. Videos are also of a very poor quality. But it's not a camera to shoot colored pics and share them online. It's an instant camera that lets you print your photos directly on an almost free material. Of course, this product is far from perfect. I think this first version is a great toy for young children. And for me, it's also a first step in the direction of a high-definition black and white instant camera that prints images fast and for cheap. So I can't wait to test the next thermal paper instant camera for adults.